Hi everyone, I am Andy and today I'll be reading from these illustrated classics. The first story from this book is The Railway Children. It all began at Peter's birthday party. The servants were just bringing out the birthday cake when the doorbell clanged sharply. "Oh dear," exclaimed Father, "who can that be? Start without me, everyone. I'll be back in a minute." Peering into the hallway, Peter saw Father leading two men into his study. "Who are they, Mother?" asked his sister Phyllis. "I don't know," said Mother, frowning. "Stay here. I'm going to find out." Mother disappeared into the study for ages. "What's going on?" asked Phyllis. "We'll just have to wait and see," replied Bobby, the eldest. Mother emerged just as the front door slammed shut. Bobby saw a carriage and horses driving rapidly away into the night. Mother's face was icy white and her eyes glittered with tears. "Where's Father?" demanded Peter, running into the empty study. "He's gone away." Mother was shaking now. Bobby reached for her hand and held it tight. "But he hasn't even packed his clothes," said Phyllis. "He had to go quickly, on business," Mother replied. "Was it to do with the government?" asked Peter. "Father worked in a government office." "Yes, don't ask me questions, darlings. I can't tell you anything. Please, just go to bed." Upstairs, the children tried endlessly to work out where Father had gone. The next few days were just as strange. So where do you think their father went? Do you think it will have any consequences for this family? Let's continue reading and we'll find out.